What is it about nature that draws us in, has us yearning and longing to be there, sit there, idle there? And for those of us on any kind of soul journey, reflect there. How is it that we become so enraptured in it? Is it simply its beauty? Is it that the beauty is so majestic, we are so taken by it? Or is there more to it? Is there a cosmic pull to all of the aliveness of it all? The chi of it all? Every time I step into nature, get near a river, body of water, find a perfect spot under a little puffy bundle of clouds, near the sea, deep in the forest, I feel an overwhelming sense of magic. Do you? What is it really about nature? What were the transcendentalists after? What did they know and understand about nature that we don't? How prolific is it that the greatest thinkers always spoke so prophetically and poetically about nature? What is it about nature? What does nature do for you and for your soul? How often do you get out into nature and just bathe and bask in its glory? When we really begin to contemplate deeply on the powerful words that the greatest minds spoke, in many cases, it was nature. It was nature that was getting them to become poets and go deeper and be inquisitive and leave us these profound words. Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "In the presence of nature, a wild delight runs through the man." To speak truly, few adult persons can see nature. Most persons do not see the sun. At least they have a very superficial seeing. The sun illuminates only the eye of the man, but shines into the eye and the heart of the child. The lover of nature is he whose inward and outward senses are still truly adjusted to each other, who has retained the spirit of infancy even into the era of manhood. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Emerson also said, "The happiest man is he who learns from nature the lesson of worship." About the pace of nature, her secret is patience. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The happiest man is he who learns from nature the lesson of worship. Ralph Waldo Emerson. May your trails be crooked, winding, lonesome, dangerous, leading to the most amazing view. May your mountains rise into and above the clouds. Edward Abbey. Earth and sky, woods and fields, lakes and rivers, the mountain and the sea are excellent schoolmasters and teach some of us more than we can ever learn from books. John Lubbock. Everything you can imagine, nature has already created. Albert Einstein. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Navajo proverb. The human spirit needs places where nature has not been rearranged by the hand of man. And one of my favorite quotes about nature, I believe in God, only I spell it in nature. Frank Lloyd Wright. In the hopes of reaching the moon, men fail to see the flowers that blossom at their feet. Albert Schweitzer. Live in the sun, swim the sea, drink the wild air. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. William Wordsworth. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. William Shakespeare. – 120 minutes of nature a week, 2 hours, is what it takes, according to a study of 20,000 people. The study showed that 120 minutes was the magic bullet for feeling better, scientifically speaking. Anything less than that had no impact. Sounds strange, but these are the findings from the European Center for Environment and Human Health. But nature has always been my happy place, and in any given week, I might have spent upwards of 4 to 5 hours in some green space doing some serious reflecting, or the soul work, as I like to call it. So let me ask you, what does nature do for you? All of these powerful quotes on nature, such profound and prophetic displays of affection for the majesty and wonderment of nature.